Fit somebody in 20. You just have to fit somebody in 20 inches. It'll be 20 by, what's 42 minus 4? 39.
38.
38.
Where's your confidence level at?
Out of what?
Like 10.
My confidence level out of 10 is about a 5 right now.
Okay.
Achievable that I'm gonna make it, yes. Will somebody fit? Maybe.
Okay.
In a set in our living room because we don't have a fucking garage.
So how you feeling, David?
Kind of bummed
Why?
because the original idea didn't work. It was better in my dream world than reality.
Does that ever happen?
Sometimes. It's hard for me to pivot though.
So what are you gonna do?
I don't know yet.
After a good night's sleep, we were able to rethink the design and pivot to make our original concept work. We painted the set a calming shade of periwinkle blue. Then we started assembling the set. This set is unique because it's all one piece. So we picked it up, loaded it into the trunk bed, and headed to the studio we rented on Peerspace.
Today we are doing a conceptual fine art nude shoot. Our model is going to pretend to be inside of a seed and channel feelings of growth and possibility. We designed this set to have some forced perspective and optical illusions to it. It's one of our tiniest sets and we aren't totally sure if our model is going to be able to fit inside of it. Hopefully it works though, because the shoot's about to start.
So, Rose, today's shoot is a little bit different. It's a little more optimistic than the shoots we normally do.
Mixing it up.
Yeah, change it up a little bit. You are a seed, okay? And you're in here and you are filled with hope and possibility and excitement and energy. So during the shoot, I want you to start kind of curled up into your little tiny ball, and then you slowly kind of start to peek your eyes out and look around, and you're taking in your space, but you feel comfortable and safe in your space. You're happy where you are, but then you start to be like, oh, what if I reach out a little bit here? Look at this beautiful light. Wow, this is such a beautiful world that I'm in. Okay. So it has this energy of possibility to it. Think of a little baby who's sleeping, that soft little comforting smile on their face. Raise an eyebrow if you can. Part your lips slightly like you're taken aback by how beautiful this is. Now start to maybe engage your left hand? Your left hand a little bit with your beautiful dancer hands you always have, and just kind of raise it up right there. Yep. You're like, wow. Okay, now take your right hand and extend that one upward, but leave your left one right where you have it. Love that one. Oh, these are beautiful, Rose. Think of your favorite food and you're taking a bite of it and you're so hungry and you're like, oh, this feels so good right now. So think of the last time that you went somewhere new, saw something new, and that feeling of I had no idea this existed. Falling in love, just these new feelings that you're like, what? Do I like the new? Do I like this feeling? How much can you stand up in this space?
Great question.
Yeah, and then what if you reach your hands forward a little bit? Slowly roll your head up and look at me with big eyes. That light is where your energy is coming from, and you just want to be immersed in it. So enamored with the light. There's so much beauty in this world. You've been jaded. Your eyes were all foggy. You finally got contacts. That feeling. Loosen up. Really outstretch. Maybe like reach your arm forward a little bit, like you're unsure, but you're curious at the same time. That's beautiful. That was gorgeous, Rose. Wow. Oh, that's so pretty, Rose. That's my favorite shot so far. Those are really cool. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more wild photo shoots by Jada and David.